The Anti-Money Laundering Council has presented sufficient proof to convince an appellate court to freeze Bamban Mayor Alice Guo's bank accounts and financial assets. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian in a statement showed how suspicious money from undetermined sources have been funneled into Mayor Guo's bank accounts and then conveyed or channeled into accounts of other parties here in the country by way of legitimate bank transactions. But Guo's lawyers are crying foul and invoking bank violation of the bank secrecy laws and the Data Privacy Act by both the AMLC and Senator Win Gatchalian, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian bared Friday that he talked to someone from the Chinese community about the alleged fake birth certificates. And the senator divulged this alleged modus.
May nakausap ako sa Chinese community. Sinabi nila sa akin na ang running price pala para makakuha ng birth certificate kasama na passport, kasama na driver's license is 300,000.
Gatchalian made this claim following the report of the National Bureau of Investigation of around 200 Chinese nationals having been able to come up with fake birth certificates. So the senator intends to look deeper into this matter.
Ito in effect 200 Alice Guo to eh. And I remember na pumunta to because merong isang Chinese
successfully secured a freeze order from an appellate court, which they consider as a significant milestone in the fight against human trafficking, money laundering, and illicit pogo activities in the country. Key individuals identified in AMLAC's petition include Mayor Guo and other individuals suspected of illegal activities. Based on the document from the AMLAC, which Gatchalian's office shared to the media, Guo has 36 bank accounts, a helicopter, and several vehicles. The Court of Appeals' approval of the freeze order encompasses a wide range of assets, including 90 bank accounts across 14 financial institutions. Gatchalian said it involves huge sums of money.
In a span of 3 years, billions yung pumasok sa accounts ni Alice Guo. Pero if you look at their corporations, kaya nga, di ba binabalikan natin during the hearing of corporations, pag tinignan natin yung corporations niya, both the income statements and the statement of cash flow, walang billions, puro hundreds of thousands lang. Kaya nagtataka nga kami, paano nagawa yung Bamban Pogo Hub, no, na ang halaga 6 billion, pero hindi lumalabas sa any of their financial statements.
Gatchalian suspects a failure on the part of the banks to properly vet this money from unknown sources, or even worse, an existing connivance or collusion between bank officials and Guo.
Pag yung branch nakakuha ng perang malaki at hindi ma-justify ng depositor, kagad rini-report to. Bakit in 2019 walang na-report? Ngayon lang 2024 na-report.
Mayor Guo's come meanwhile questioned the latest move against the embattled mayor. Guo's lawyer Stephen David said bank accounts are confidential matters and covered by bank secrecy laws and the Data Privacy Act. And so he asked, why are Alice Guo's bank accounts now a matter of public discussion? Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.